Oh, it's a bit chilly today. There goes that tree. I knew they would cut it down eventually. I was kind of thinking about doing it myself, but they beat me to it. No, no, they didn't. This they did. No, no. Why? Why? Oh well, I can always rebuild. It's no big deal. Still, I like that shelter. Good thing my stick is still here. You never leave here, do you, bud?
No.
Yeah, this place is soaking wet. I'm gonna try and find somewhere a bit more dry. Problem is, in weather like this, where exactly are you gonna find anywhere that's dry? Well, you gotta just trial and error. That's all the advice I can give. Look at all this. These leaves are all frost and everything. This is not the type of weather I should be coming out. Sure is pretty though. Looks like we're back here at this old dump. It's not the best spot, but it's worlds drier than anywhere else you're gonna find around here, so I guess this is where I'm setting up camp again. So, we're gonna try and set a campfire again, but there's not a lot of dry wood, especially around here, so I brought my own.
Hello.
Bye-bye. Fancy, isn't it? Yep, I was such a good boy last year that Santa gave me a weapon. Okay, let's get the chopping. Wow, that's strong. Ah, no. That is not gonna light now. But maybe I can salvage these ones. Ah. What? This is not gonna work, is it? If only I had like a dry bit of like dead tree I could cut wood on. Problem is, where are you gonna find a bunch of dead, dry tree stumps out here? Not really anywhere. I'm sure it'll work eventually. I think I just made it worse. Oh, that was smooth. That was so smooth. This might actually work. This one, look how pure that is. This is certainly gonna light. Fortunately, these two might not light, but what are you gonna do? And I get to work on my fireplace now. Even with all the fire sticks in there, it's not taken aggressively. There's so much moisture in the air, so it might take a few tries, but we'll get it eventually. It is burning, as you can see. Just need to put some more stuff in it to get it going well. There's green stuff on this. I don't know if this will burn, but we'll give it a go. This might just kill my fire, but don't knock it till you try it. Seems to be working. As you can see, the fire's mostly on this side, not on this side. I need to get it around. There's other sticks around here, it's not burning. So I move the fire a little bit. While that's doing its thing, I want to also point out, I didn't just come here to start a fire for no reason. a water bottle filled with water, and this to make some tea. And I forgot my tea. Well, you know, we can't have tea, but we can have warm water. So that's something. How did I forget the tea? I'm such a... I'm a fool sometimes. Big one at that. We're just gonna put the logs in and just hope for the best. Hopefully that should be fine. Oh, it's working! Eureka! Yep, that's burning alright. Alright, as soon as this is done and all settled down, we'll put our kettle on top and just let that boil. With no tea! Look at that, looks ridiculous. We're gonna venture out of camp for a minute just to get some more sticks, because I should have brought my own sticks. I am not having a good day, good sir! How about you, sir? Thank you. Okay, that should do. Let's head back now. Run! So much smoke coming off of that. It's working like a charm though. Alright, now, allow me to show you all why this is one of my favorite stoves. These little babies. You just plop them on, you can boil water. As long as you have the appropriate equipment, you can do it. Okay, we got some water in there now. Please don't fall on my fire. There's some water in there now, so now we're going to put this on. And there goes my cup. And we're going to let that boil. Perfect. You know what would have been even more perfect? If I had some tea to boil. Oh yeah, oh that's boiling. That's... Alright. Hot water time. And there we go. That is hot water. No tea. So there we are, the hot water, the kettle, the logs, the axe, everything. So thanks for watching everyone, and I will see you, hopefully next video will be a parkour video because I miss doing those myself. So until then, see you next time.